Hello students, we are going to study Chapter 1 Nutrition in Plants. We are going to cover the topics nutrition, nutrients and mode of nutrition. Right? Children, we all are very well aware that living organisms we need food for living. Why do we need food? Because this food provides us with energy. What will we use this energy for? We will use this energy to perform daily activities and also life processes such as digestion, where breakdown of food into simpler substances takes place, excretion, where the harmful substances are thrown out of the body. Right? So living organisms, we need food which provides us with energy to perform daily life activities and life processes also. Right? Now children, what are nutrients? Nutrients are components of food. You have studied about them in your previous class. What are nutrients? What are components of food? Example, carbohydrates and fats. They provide us with energy. They are energy giving food. Proteins, they help to repair the damaged parts of our body. Fats, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins. All these are components of food. You have studied about them in detail in your previous class. Components are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. Vitamins and minerals, they are needed in very small quantity. They help us, they protect us from diseases. Right? So carbohydrate, fats, energy giving food, proteins, damaged parts को ठीक करते हैं, vitamins and minerals, they protect us from diseases. So all these are nutrients, that is components of food. But what is nutrition? Nutrition is the process of taking food, various methods of taking food and its utilization by the body. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the method of taking food and its utilization by the body. Children, we are going to study modes of nutrition. Right? Modes of nutrition are of two types. Autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. We are going to study them one by one, but when I am writing down the points, we will compare them also. You can write them as differences also. Sorry. Auto means self and trophos means nourishment. So those organisms which make food themselves are called as autotrophs, and the mode of nutrition is called as autotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic, hetero means others, trophos means nourishment. These organisms do not prepare food on their own, but they depend on other organisms like plants and animals. They are called as heterotrophs. And the mode of nutrition is called as heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Example of autotrophs are plants, and example of heterotrophs are animals, including human beings also, right? So what is autotrophic mode of nutrition? The process in which the organism makes food on its own. And the organism that prepares food on its own is called as an autotroph. It is synthesizing its own food. Such plants which can synthesize their own foods are autotrophs. Heterotrophs, they do not prepare the food on their own, but they depend on others for their food, like animals. Human being derives food from plants as well as animals, right? So in this portion we have covered up till now that nutrients are components of food like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals, right? So in this portion we have covered up till now that nutrients are components of food such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. All living organisms need food because it provides them with energy to perform daily activities and life processes. The process of taking food and its utilization by the body is called as nutrition. Nutrition is of two types, autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is when the organism can make food on its own. Heterotrophic nutrition is when the organism depends on others for food. Example of autotrophs are plants, and examples of heterotrophs are animals. Right? I hope you have understood till now. We will continue the chapter in part 2. If you have understood what I am teaching, please consider subscribing. Do leave a comment in case you have any problem or you want some kind of improvement. That will be a nice feedback. Thank you.